Hello, ako nga pala si Dion Greg Reyes. Pwede mo akong tawaging D. I am an advisor and manager at AIA Philippines, formerly Philam Life. So ngayong araw, i-discuss ko sa iyo ang plan na tinatawag na AIA Critical Protect 100, which is a life insurance plan, also a health insurance plan focused on critical illnesses. Ayan, allow me to share my screen para ma-share ko sa inyo itong plan na to. Alright. So the plan again is called AIA Critical Protect 100. It comes with Vitality additional coverage, no, that is unique health and wellness program of AIA Philippines. More about that later. So this plan is actually designed for a 28-year-old male office employee, no, assuming healthy. All right. So this plan, as shown here, is a 20-pay traditional life insurance plan. So this can be customized na 10-pay. So two available options lang, 10 years to pay or 20 years to pay. And traditional life insurance plan, ibig sabihin ay wala siyang investments. No? So it has life insurance coverage up to age 100, which may be advanced upon diagnosis of any covered critical illness. So again, it comes with AIA Vitality program. And for the plan features, as I mentioned kanina, no, so for this plan, the face amount is 2.5 million pesos. So again, it's either life insurance benefit or a major critical illness. So for example, mauna tayong ma-diagnose of a certain critical illness or kagaya ng cancer, kidney failure, heart attack, we will get the 2.5 million, no, as a lump sum. So if ever naman hindi naman tayo nagkasakit pero nagkaroon tayo ng or na-encounter natin, no, si kamatayan, kinuha na tayo ni Lord for in other words, no, we will receive or the beneficiaries will receive 2.5 million. So if ever naman na magkaroon tayo ng minor critical illness, so we will advance 25% of the face amount, which is 625,000 from the 2.5 million. So kung sakali nagkaroon tayo ng less severe kidney disease, ng carcinoma in situ or early stage cancer or liver surgery, no? So we will be able to get that 625,000 advanced from the 2.5 billion. So kung sakali nagkaroon tayo ng major critical illness, no, a stroke man yan, cancer, heart attack, no, we will show you the list of the illnesses later. So magkakaroon pa ng support na in case magkaroon ng major CI or life insurance or death na mangyari. Alright, so AIA Vitality naman, no, I will just show a video after this sharing, no, how you can maximize AIA Vitality coverage. So we could focus more about sa ating insurance plan focus on critical illness. So as mentioned, the benefit major CI, no, let's call critical illness a CI. Tapos life insurance either siya so up to age 100 with some exclusions, no, or exceptions. So kaya may asterisk dyan. So sa asterisk na yan, benefits for selected critical illnesses will terminate once the insured reaches certain age. So meron tayong list later. Alright, so 100% of the face amount or it's a lump sum, no, na ibibigay, that's 2.5 million. So meron din tayong rider benefit, minor critical illness benefit up to age 100 din siya with certain exclusions and it will be advanced, no, from the 1 million pesos or equivalent, no, in this case 625,000. So the 2.5 million is actually requested by the client, but the minimum amount that you can get from this is 1 million pesos for 10 pay or 10 years to pay, no, but 750,000 variant is available if you want to pay this in 20 years. So pwede, no, in limited time lang yung 750k kasi normally, no, 1 million talaga ang minimum ni ACP 100 or AIA Critical Protect 100. So for the Vitality, no, meron tayo dito membership fee na 1,200 or that's 100 per month. And for the total premium, that's 53,600 in total, no. For the excluding the Vitality membership fee. So if ever include na natin yung Vitality, no, 54,800 pesos. So you might ask, pwede bang tanggalin, wag na bayaran yung Vitality? No, may pwede, no, but only after you pay the initial premium. So for example, you paid for the monthly, which is eto na sa baba, ano. Bayad tayo ng monthly na 5,1. On the second month, pwede nating hindi bayaran if you choose not to get the Vitality anymore. All right, so we have 4 options: monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, or annual. No, so if you're going to pay it annually, 54,800, no, including the Vitality fee. Alright, so if you pay semi-annual, that's 29,008 pesos, 15,000 naman 300 if quarterly, and 5,000 if monthly. This will be cheaper if yung sinet natin na face amount, no? Kasi dito nasa 2.5 million siya. We could lower it down to 1 million and bababa rin yung ating monthly or quarterly, and etc. Alright? So for this table naman, illustration of benefits, for this plan, it's 20 pay. So you're going to pay fixed, no, for 20 years, 53,600. So if ever naman, itong table na to, ang cash surrender value, in case na hindi mo magamit yung policy or hindi mo gagamitin or gusto, kailangan mo ng pera, you can get, no, from this plan actually, the cash surrender value. So for example, on year 10, no, already age 38, assuming 28 kinuha ni client, on year 10, may yung cash surrender value niya is at 178,000. That means na pag sinurrender or give up mo yung plan na to, you will still get the 178,125 pesos as cash, no? That's the entire amount. Kasi isusurrender mo na siya, no? Versus other plans na hulog ka lang ng hulog tapos wala ka rin pala makukuha, no? After a certain period. So that's why it's a good value, no? Itong cash surrender value. And then after you surrender the plan, of course, no, hindi mo na siya pwedeng ma-reinstate and hindi mo na rin siya pwedeng ibalik. So mawawalan ka na rin ng coverage, no? You will forfeit your life insurance or major CI benefit or the entire plan. So, bali tapos na yung contract. Alright? So, next is, this is just a simulation of the vitality coverage. Ito na yung the most important table, no, dito sa ating proposal is that list of covered critical illnesses. So, the major illnesses, all types of cancer, no, including also gender-specific cancer. Actually, you have an option to include gender-specific cancer as an optional rider, but for this client, he told me na wag na lang since cancer is already no include gender-specific cancer such as for male, testicular, penile, no, kasali na siya dito under cancer. For females naman, we have vagina, breast, no, something like that na cancer, covered na siya dito. But if you want to have additional support for gender-specific cancer, pwede naman. But it's a bit expensive. Alright? Illnesses related to organ failure and functions, ayan, nakalagay dyan. So again, we have these asterisks, no, being exclusions for the age 100 na ano na coverage. Alright? So among the most common here is kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, vital organ transplant. Ayan. Illnesses related to heart attack, cardiomyopathy, heart valve replacement, etc. So illnesses naman related to the nervous system, we have here the most common, stroke, paralysis, coma, Alzheimer's also, major head trauma, no, due to illness siya. So other illnesses, we have major burns, loss of limbs, speech, terminal illness, loss of hearing, sight, etc. So yung exclusions natin or the exemptions, as mentioned, is that for the total and permanent disability, at age 65, hindi na siya claimable. And for Alzheimer's, apalic, loss of independent existence, Parkinson's, at age 85 naman yung limit niya. Hindi na siya claimable. Alright? So for the minor critical illnesses naman, or the 25% na pwedeng i-advance, dun sa major critical illness, we have here for juvenile, no, critical illnesses. By the way, this plan is also available for babies or as young as 30 years old. Pwede natin kuhanan ng critical illness plan. So kasali dyan yung hemophilia, insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus, etc., Kawasaki, common among kids, severe asthma, severe dengue, Wilson's disease, etc. Ayan. So dito naman no, sa minor critical illness also included yung carcinoma in situ or early stage cancer. That includes bladder cancer. Ito rin no, sa mga following sites na breast, uterus, fallopian tube, etc. No? Mga ano yan, mga gender specific. Also prostate cancer, skin cancer, thyroid cancer. Other minor critical illnesses covered are cardiac pacemaker, defibrillator, liver surgery, etc. Alright? So yun lang, no? That's essentially what AIA Critical Protect 100 is all about. So this plan is focused on critical illness. So this is very straightforward. Wala na masyadong maraming riders. But this is the one, no? Yung pinakita ko is yung fixed, no, or packaged plan. So we have optional riders to include, which is gender-specific cancer, gender-specific cancer benefit, and then the recovery benefit. The recovery benefit gives you 100,000 for each year that you survive the cancer or the illness. No, for example, that we're diagnosed with cancer today, and then 1 year after, you will be given 100,000 good as cash as benefit, no, from your recovery benefit that you were able to recover, and that's good, no, 100,000 for year 2 ulit, for year 3, year 4, year 5, for a total of 500,000. But that rider is a bit expensive. Medyo expensive siya, no? So I'd rather, no, I'd recommend na lang na you place that premium, no, na rider to the major critical illness kasi upfront siya ibibigay. Hindi na hihintayin yung iyong recovery. Alright? So that's how AIA Critical Protect 100 works, no, with AIA Vitality Additional Coverage. Watch this video for the Vitality coverage. Kung paano siya makakapag-benefit sa'yo.
3 ways to maximize your Philam plan bundled with Vitality. Number 1. Enjoy upfront additional 20% on your insurance coverage, up to 50% additional life insurance coverage boost by eating right, working out more, getting regular health checkups, or even sleeping longer. Number 2. Get 200 pesos every 2 weeks for working out regularly. Step 1. Download the Philam Vitality app. Step 2. Sync your fitness app to the Vitality app. Step 3. Work out at least 30 minutes or walk at least 7,500 steps daily. Step 4. Choose your rewards. Number 3. Get discounts from partner merchants.